Jaden, I'm taking video. It's an evidence for your daddy that you're eating every single stuff that you can put in the mouth. Now you're eating.
That we're not feeding you, huh?
Yeah, I did feed your son, but apparently he's still hungry. He's trying to eat up the whole sofa.
What? Tired?
Yeah. Hello. And then he likes eating my watch as well. Jaden, my watch. See?
Dessert.
He's thinking. He's still considering.
I ate this before. I don't like this anymore.
Yeah. It doesn't taste good as my own sofa. You want to have your own bottle of milk? Milk? How about milk?
Too hot.
No. Hello. Hello, Jaden. Hello. Hello. You want to say hi to your daddy? Or mommy? Okay, you're eating my watch now. Oh, this is an evidence you're gonna get me a new watch.
Oh.
Okay, let's see how many things you can suck into your mouth in one go.
He's choosing. It's better to eat.
Apparently he can eat more during the lunch.
You eat it all. Inside your mouth. Everything.
Everything. Okay. Say bye-bye to your daddy. Bye-bye.